Hello everybody, Mike here. In this video, we're going to be comparing the Shark Navigator and then the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. So these are two very popular vacuums. Shark, it's a bestseller. As you can see, I've used it for a few years now. It's pretty worn down. So there's how you take the tank off. You got the clips. So you just snap those into place. Pretty simple. So the tank is bigger on the Shark, right? So I like on the Bissell, everything is labeled easy. So you just push that button and you can take the tank off. It's a little bit smaller as you can see, but it's convenient. So you have the power buttons, everything's labeled. Right? And take the stick off. All you gotta do is push that button. Very simple. So overall, I like the design better on the Bissell. I like that it has the light. Now we're going to do a comparison of the sound. So as you can see, the Shark was a lot quieter. Turned it on, you couldn't even hear it compared to the Bissell. The Bissell is pretty loud, right? And the Bissell is not as powerful, but it is louder, right? It's got a lot more air coming out front there. So points for the Shark on that one. So there's a look at the handles. There's a little bit of rubber grip on the Bissell, so I like that better. It feels a little bit better. And all right, so here is the crumb test. It's interesting. So Shark, clear winner. Bissell struggled a little bit. There were still crumbs stuck at the bottom, where the Shark didn't seem to have a problem with that. I mentioned it's got the bigger tank, and then it is more powerful than the Bissell. So point to the Shark for that as well. So as I mentioned, the Shark is a few years old, and as you just saw, it's not clicking into place, so it's pretty worn down. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the Bissell for now. But I would say at the same price point, better value is the Shark. So it's more powerful, it's quieter. But I do like the design of the Bissell. I like how it swivels and that it has the light. So here's a look at the stats of the Pet Hair Eraser by the Bissell. It's about 840 watts, 7.5 amps. The capacity is 0.75 liters, where the Shark has 1200 watts, 10 amps. It's 0.87 liters. As you can see, noise level, very low. So here's one last side-by-side. So overall, in my opinion, the better vacuum is the Shark. Get better value. But the Pet Hair Eraser by Bissell is very nice. Like I said, I do like that design. I like that it has a light. It makes a big difference. And it swivels a lot better. So I do like things about the Bissell more. But overall, I think if I had to pick between the two, I'd go with the Shark. But for now, I'm actually going to stick with the Bissell. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, I had the Shark for a couple years. So I am going to go ahead and try something different.